This is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, and today I'm going to show you aboard our all-new 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. First thing you'll notice is the large forward seating on this boat with tons of storage, bow shower, nice tall windshield, hard top, convertible seat with rear-facing ability to the port, helm seat, nice large helm area. Very high quality switches used on this boat, JL audio. We have a head area to the port that features a pump out head as well as a sink with a shower. Coming around to the boat, we have their patented fold out rear bench seat and the all new Mercury Verado 300 horsepower engine in cold fusion white. Come by MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach to ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned Boston Whaler boats.